Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we are on the way to San Carlos City. We're gonna having some breakfast there in Mr. C.
Mother's Day breakfast.
So I already attend the morning mass because it's Sunday, and happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. So we're gonna celebrate our Mother's Day there in Mr. C, and we're gonna have some special breakfast, right?
Yeah.
And that's what we're doing now. We're on the way there. Hopefully we have enjoyable time and delicious breakfast this morning. And Virgil and Pia is with us. Virgil is so sweet. They're in the church. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. He not forget. So to all mothers out there, I'm wishing you all a wonderful Mother's Day. So Virgil is there at the back. So this morning it's been sprinkled a little bit, and it's not really hard rain. Just sprinkle and stop, and maybe for a few minutes, right?
Yeah. Hardly enough to get the road wet.
Yeah.
As you
Hope
can
you
see,
all are doing good. And it's been a while that we're not having some breakfast there in Mr. C. So maybe
been a
they
long
have,
time.
maybe they have a special this morning because it's Mother's Day. So maybe they have some special this morning for breakfast. Wow, nice view there, the ocean. Beautiful morning here.
the Negros Oriental and now Negros Occidental.
We're entering Negros Occidental.
In other words, we crossed the state line.
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you now the road traffic here. It's not really busy this morning.
I'm surprised it been Mother's Day.
Yeah. So as you can see, the road is a little bit wet. It's not really very wet. It's cloudy.
And detect the 10 down again.
Yeah. Since it's been long time that I not do some video in the road. So this is it. It's not really busy this morning. It's cloudy. Beautiful morning. It's not really hot this morning because we turned on the aircon. I'm glad that we already changed the thermostat in our van, because last time that we went to San Carlos, on the way home we have some overheat problems in our van. Thankfully that we are already there in the dirt road, and also it's just the thermostat. We just replaced the thermostat, and everything is okay now. Hopefully it not be overheat again. Maybe because the weather here is so extreme hot, right, Daddy?
Yeah. We're talking extreme.
It affects some of the animals, humans, vehicles. We've been passing one vehicles there in Bagawinis. They are got damage, right? I think it's damage because
Yeah, it may overheating, but they had to do it.
yeah, it's over there in Bagawinis. There's a vehicle that
Fairly new.
yeah they've been fixing, maybe because I don't know what happened.
Do these songs.
Maybe same problem ours, overheat. And as you can see, some of the trees in the mountains is turning brown. It's just
Yeah.
so it's not so busy this morning, as you can see. So I'll see you guys when we arrive there in Mr. C. So stay tuned for now. So we're almost in San Carlos right now, and we have this overheat problems again. I thought we fix it, but still. So we just let them cool down first, then we're gonna put more coolant on it. My husband really don't know what is the problem. So we're already here in San Carlos, but my husband saw that overheat light, so we're gonna stop because we don't want gonna have big problems in the engine. Did you find the cup, Bibi?
Not yet.
But you put it here.
Yeah.
That's the old cup.
No, it's a new one.
So my husband tried to put a new radiator cap, right? Radiator cap, maybe it helps. Maybe it's in this side here.
It might be, but I'll
I'm gonna check.
first.
So this is what we're doing now. I don't know why this happening to us. That's thermostat.
Same brand to put in.
So look what I've got. I have these beautiful flowers that my husband gave to me and my son Virgil for Mother's Day, and it's so really pretty, guys, as you can see. And I'm sitting here in the bench, and I'm waiting for our breakfast. And we have also some special breakfast that this morning, and Virgil got some pancake, then I have some fish danget and some sunny side up egg, and my husband got that special breakfast, the big fila breakfast, and I think he got some bacon, some bread, and some special sausage on it. And we're just enjoying ourselves here, even though that the van is overheat, and we're gonna try our best to fix that problems later. So we're gonna enjoy ourselves here first, our breakfast. And it's so, as you can see, the flowers are so pretty, have some flowers and some roses here, and it's just so beautiful, and I really enjoy my morning here. And there's a cold breeze here, and it's really nice. And I try my best to have some video. I'm gonna show the foods that we ordered, because there's a background music there in the restaurant. So I'll see you guys, so stay tuned for now. So this is our foods. My husband some bacon, some hash browns, beans, sunny side up eggs, some sausage, and I have this danggit and some garlic rice and tomato. Virgil got what you got, Virgil? Virgil, what you got? What you got? Pancake with strawberry. Pia got, I have Pia here, the daughter of my friend Bastion, and she got some spam. You want some spam, Daddy? And some sunny side up egg. Wala lagi itlog ako. Hurot na nimo, Day. Mahurot na nimo imong kanon. And I have these flowers. I have also some flowers for my grandma here. So let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Let's eat. Look at I've got the danggit. Dami. Virgil says their pancake is delicious here. Wala pa ang hot choco. Hot choco. So, we are here at our chicken coop this afternoon. So, we've been having a hard day today. Is it right? Hard day?
Yeah.
Because
Nothing went right.
huh?
Yeah, nothing was correct.
Yeah, the van is always overheat and looks like my husband know what is the problem. Just tell us what's happened.
Yeah, thermocap. Suzuki uses a thermocap, and it's not functioning correctly. It was pushing everything into the reservoir.
Yeah, that's what it caused the overheat. But
Yeah.
we're gonna find tomorrow because my husband have that original cap, right?
I saved it.
Yeah, he saved it, and
Because when we first got the van, I changed it, put a new one on it when I changed the thermostat.
yeah, so we're gonna do a road test tomorrow and let's see if it works. And we already ordered a new thermostat and also a new radiator cap. So hopefully it's that only the problem.
Yeah.
And one thing that we one thing that we done today is what you mean?
Well, yeah, I've treated you to a nice breakfast.
Yeah, and what else?
Well, with flowers.
Yeah, it's very nice of you. Thank you for that.
Oh, you're welcome.
And what is the other one that we lost?
So I have to tell everybody.
No. Yeah, we lost something that it's
Very important.
yeah,
I lost part of my keys.
yeah,
Keys for the chicken coop, keys for the rear gate,
yeah.
keys for the house.
Yeah, because we've been stressing about the van. Then my husband, I don't know, he just
When I pulled my keys out of the pocket, it come unlocked, and I didn't know I dropped them.
yeah, he dropped the key in our gate and also to the main door. So
And the rear gate.
we got lucky that we take off our window and we survived to go inside.
Yeah, it's a good thing I keep tools outside.
Yeah, because we have the proper tools, but to take out all the windows there in
Yeah.
inside and
If I didn't have the tools, we'd been
problem.
a problem.
And also I keep the extra key, so for now we're okay. But still, I don't know why it's happened for one day. So that's part of life. That's part of life, guys. You just need to deal with it. So as you can see that all the roaster and the hens are over here.
Where you going, Rocky? Why'd you follow me in there?
They've been stepping that clear water. I need to change it and a new one. So they have also some vitamins here. Look at the hen there. There's a lot of ants over there by in the roaster pen.
Where?
In the roaster pen. Look, it's biting my feet.
It's because they're after that food. And the chickens find them, they'll eat them.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you the chicks now, how it grows. It's getting bigger and bigger each day. Hi, good afternoon. Hi, they are here. Just guarding the door here. Need to close the door. Huh? So here's the chicks. They're getting bigger. This is the one in the pullet pen. Getting bigger each day. Oh wow, hi! That's the black astrolorp there. It's cute. And there's some Jersey Giant. And the Selkie is over here, the white one, as you can see. It's so pretty. That's the Selkie one. So cute. Hi there. Hi. Hello. They're enjoying in the roost. They're enjoying. Hi, did you miss me? Because I'm not been able to visit here yesterday because I've been so busy there in the house. Did you miss mommy? Did you miss mommy? Hi there. Hi. They are here at my side. They are so cute. Hi guys. Hi there. Oh. They're gonna want to climb on my back. Hi there. Look at that. They are very enjoyable to watch. So guys, we have 17 newborn chicks. Ouch! Why you're biting on me? Hey, this one is very bad. Oh, keep biting. Hey, don't being so bad, ha? This one is really bad. Yes. So we have 17 newborn chicks survive out of 23. So we lost about 22. I think we lost about 6 chicks. So, but some of them, when we check on the first day, there some of them are not fertile. So it's good that we still have 17 chicks survive, and their looks healthy and active now. And maybe by tomorrow I'm gonna show you what. So we have a total, all the chicken we got now is 73 total, including the newborn chicks. Hopefully that they are all survive, and we're looking forward for more eggs. And also I'm looking forward this one that they can get out soon, because they are getting bigger and bigger here in the pullet pen. So we need to turn them loose. Look at that here. Hi. Hello. Did you miss me? Hey, did you miss me? Did you miss mommy? Did you miss mommy? Mommy's just here, always here. Mommy just busy. I love chickens. So also guys, that we have some a little problems about the vaccine, because we went today in San Carlos, and also I bought some vaccine for the newborn chicks. And one of my friend here told me that if you do a vaccination of the chicken here, we need to let the neighbor knows, the one who raised the chicken, that we do some vaccination here, because he said that if we have some vaccination here in our farm, supposedly we need to share it to the neighbor here, especially to have a chicken, because it will affect their chicken if it's not vaccinated. So if we do some vaccination, we need to let the neighbor knows that we can have their vaccine, their chicken. We can share our vaccine, because that vaccine that I bought, it's good for 1,000 heads of chicken. So we only have 73 here, so we still have some left for that. And also that it's a live vaccine, so we need to make sure that the disposal on it after we use, we need to dig it in the soil so that it's not exposed to the other chicken, and also it's not good for the people. And we need to dig it, and we need to kill the leftover of that, and we're gonna put some Zonrox or bleach, and so that it won't affect the other chicken here. So hopefully that it turns good, because I really want to have a vaccine, especially for the newborn chicks, because I don't want really them to get sick. So hopefully that everything turns good on that, and we just need to be searching more about it. I've been watching also some videos in YouTube, and hopefully that we can have that vaccine for our chicks. So if you guys knows about vaccination of chicken, please leave us a comment in my YouTube, because it really helps a lot to us, and I just want our chicken will be safe, especially so that they not get sick. And I really do appreciate that. And look at the chicks, a chicken here, they're getting bigger, as you can see. Hi. So I'm gonna walk there outside. It's a little bit hot here. There's no air inside in the pullet pen. So maybe 1 week from now or 2 weeks, we're gonna turn them loose. But we need to cage them, the roaster. We need to cage them in there, the roaster pen, because that one roaster, the bad boys, very aggressive. We don't want the chicks will get scared, and we don't want them to. I want them to be comfortable. So I think that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna do some more videos again soon, so stay tuned for now. And I really do appreciate all of you for always watching my videos, and for all the nice comment, and for all my new subscribers out there. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing my YouTube channel. Salamat po talaga sa panonood ng aking video. At if hindi po kayo nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm gonna try my best to do more videos. And thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys on my next video.